Hi everybody, this is Trish from Art Journal Junkie. Thanks to James Luke Burke for encouraging me to bare my soul. I did a tip-in today using his technique, which I will link to in the comments below. So I took a picture of myself and changed it in Photoshop to black and white, and then simply printed it onto plain old cardstock. Now the actual picture is already in my diary as a tip-in. I'm just using a copy here to show you briefly what I did, but I would suggest go and take a look at James' YouTube channel and pick it up. It's called something about self-care therapy, something like that. Anyway, I will put the link below. So I fluffed up my cheeks with some pink Copic pens. I guess you could use pencils or neocolors or acrylics to do this with, but James used Copics, and I think it's a fabulous way for me to play around with them. Anyway, once you've got your shading and coloring done and you have a little bit of color in your cheeks, or rather in mine, I then went on to a black gel pen and I added in some hectic black eyebrows. Take a look at that. Oh my word. I quite liked it though, I must say. And then I gave myself a very sort of Egyptian looking Nefertiti eye. Now you can also color your eyes in, obviously use a white gel pen for popping of the eyeball, and then color in the irises. Once I'd completed coloring myself in, I played around with the background, and as you'll see in the picture in my journal, I also added some writing at the bottom, bearing my soul for all to see. Now on the left hand side you just leave a small gap and then cut across the brow, the eyes and the lips. James does it in more detail. You can pick it up from his video, but for myself I just had these 4 areas that I wanted to address, and I cut out, as I said, leaving that probably 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch margin on the left hand side of the picture, and then cut out the pieces and folded them back. Once that was completed, I tipped it into my diary. So as you can see, there's my completed pic of myself, colored eyeballs and pinked lips, and a beauty spot just for the hell of it. Now the top was, what do people think of me? Do I really care? No, but it's what do I think about them? On the eye section was, what do I see when I look at myself in the mirror? And I was trying to really be honest with myself here. On the mouth section, what do I speak? Am I honest? Am I truthful? Do I speak well? And then bearing my soul. I'm not going to show you that because that really is bearing my soul, and it is in my diary. But I enjoyed doing this tremendously, and I hope it'll encourage you to do your own tip-in. So come on over to Art Journal Junkie. Join us on our Facebook group. We're quite a great crowd there, 13,000 and counting. And we don't expect you to bare your soul, but if you'd like to, show it to us on the Facebook group. Have a great day, everybody, and see you soon. Bye for now.